He's burped 17 times in 10 minutes. It's a frequent symptom of pancreatic cancer.
Sean, it's acid reflux.
He's also jaundiced. Are you familiar with the hospital employee manual?
No.
Good.
Good?
Yes. It requires that to confirm any and all diagnoses, no matter how mundane, the cost of which test shall be borne by the hospital, end quote. Paul has 1 year to live. He has pancreatic cancer.
What should I do?
It's your decision. All we can do is present you with the facts.
I'm sorry. Paul died during surgery.
We killed our father.
It's not true. Paul wanted this surgery. He told me he wanted this surgery.
Was that true?
Paul told me when the truth can't help someone, we should lie.